On my pillow, and I'm gonna open it. I'm excited. So I'm guessing it could be. Let's see what it is.
Mothers nurture you, care for you, and act as a never-ending resource in your life. But on a daily basis, we all tend to forget that. We waste so much time focusing on our lives, our daily grinds, and our problems that we forget to spend time with the people who truly matter. We forget to show them that we love them, thinking that there'll always be more time, more Mother's Days. But what if this was the last Mother's Day you'd ever spend with the people who truly matter to you? What if you only had 48 hours to plan the most epic Mother's Day of your life? Who would you call? What would you do? And where would you take them? This Mother's Day, we challenged ourselves to plan our hypothetical last Mother's Day to celebrate the people who mean the most to us, and this is what happened. Alright, here's the deal, you guys. So Mother's Day is in 2 days, but we've just been so busy recently that we just haven't come up with anything. But we want to do something epic for our moms this year,
and
like
unique.
Super unique. We don't want to just take them out to brunch and wait in 40 minutes a line
Or get flowers like everybody else.
Or chocolates or whatever, like a Mother's Day card.
Or a 5-minute gift.
Yeah, it's just, our moms have done more for us, okay, in this life than just like a little card, alright? This is ridiculous.
So gotta do more. But we don't know what we're doing at all.
But we think we're gonna do some sort of surprise for them.
For sure.
Like this.
And I'm gonna open it.
And we just gotta brainstorm what those things are, what to do.
Do some research, get some inspiration, figure out what it's gonna be.
So stay tuned. Step 1 was to search for some ideas.
Looking at Pinterest, these ideas, okay? First off, there's a million things for mugs on here. My mom has 20,000 mugs. She doesn't need another one. I'm trying to go for something unique and way more epic. Not a little gift.
3 hours later.
Okay, so we finally came up with an idea.
Basically, we're gonna do a tea party for our moms. Full tea party.
Yeah, because our moms are actually obsessed with tea parties.
They are.
My mom is obsessed with Downton Abbey, okay? We literally even went to Highclere Castle, which is where they filmed Downton Abbey, and we were getting tea there. We were doing a lot.
So thrilled.
Yeah, at Downton Abbey, they didn't, serve it in the white glove, and that was very important to my mom because in Downton Abbey, literally the rich people are served with the white gloves and stuff like that.
And our moms have to, of course, have the best service. Right?
Yeah, exactly. And then we took my mom to a tea party outside of Windsor Castle in England, and they didn't serve it with white gloves, and she was like, what kind of establishment is this?
And I did years ago, I had taken my mom to some random little tea house for, I think, her birthday, and she loved it. She thought it was the greatest thing ever. Yeah. So I know she
Yeah, seriously. And then my mom watches so many British movies, so this is going to be really insane for her.
in a really short amount of time, so we're gonna get to it.
Only 2 days with full-time jobs and trying to figure this all out and coordinate. But this is gonna be great. And we're gonna call it afternoon tea, not high tea, because that's very important. This is what we found out in our research, okay? Afternoon tea is for the high society kind of people, the people that didn't have to work. Because basically, there was this one woman, it was too much time between lunch and dinner. Dinner was at 8 p.m.
She was hungry.
She was hungry. And so she told her little butler, Jeeves and stuff.
Jeeves?
Yeah.
Ask Jeeves?
Or Alfred. She was like, Alfred, come over here. Give me some little cookies and stuff and teas. And then she felt all fancy, and then all her little friends saw her all fancy and stuff too. So then they were like, we need that too. Yeah. But anyway, high tea is for the peasants. Those are for the people that actually have to work, because they sit on these high back chairs. Because back then they didn't used to sit on chairs. They didn't put their back on them.
They had to be
because they proper and stuff like that. Sit up straight. Blah, blah, blah. But basically, they had to have their tea after work. And that was called high tea. To sit on their high chairs.
Fun facts.
Brought by 2 traveling turkeys. What's up?
The next day.
Rising up like phoenixes.
Hey Dad, so I know this is a little late notice, but tomorrow is Mother's Day, and Athena and I have decided that we are going to do a Mother's Day tea party. So I was wondering, are you available? Can you chauffeur them?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
yeah, I was just wondering too, because I just went to church, so I have chauffeur light to wear a white shirt and a black bow tie and a black vest.
Yeah, that would be perfect. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, you should definitely wear that.
Okay, I will.
Oh, actually, I'll be over there a little later because I need to drop off Mom's invitation.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
I'll see you later.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
A few moments later.
Strawberries in there. Need a ton of strawberries. That's for damn sure. Let's get some zucchini.
Where the avocado is? Or is this way? Croissant? Is this what you want?
No. I want the pie dough on the bottom.
This pizza dough. I don't know where this is.
It's right in front of your face.
This?
Yeah. Pie crust.
Alright, so we're here at the grocery store.
Yep.
Picking up different things
All of our
for
stuff.
tomorrow.
We got everything. We're about to head out. Gotta rush.
Yeah, we gotta get stuff together, and
Cook.
I still haven't given my mom the invitation yet.
Me either. We'll go. That's where I gotta go after this is to my parents to get
Yeah.
my mom the invitation.
Yeah,
and
and
then
the thing is
cook.
tomorrow. They don't even know. They don't even know.
Well, my dad does. Our moms don't.
Our moms don't even know. It's gonna be exciting, dude.
Yeah.
Like, they're gonna be like, what?
So yeah, we'll see you later when we're dropping off the invitation. Boop, boop.
Stay there.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we just finished the menu design, also the invitation. Boop boop. So we're gonna print these and then I'm headed over to my parents. Okay, so tomorrow is Mother's Day and I'm leaving this for my mom. It's her invitation to the English tea party. It's gonna go on her pillow. When she gets home, she will open it up.
So this was on my pillow, and I'm gonna open it. I'm excited. There's a teapot, so I'm guessing it could be a tea. Let's see what it is. Dear Lady Victoria Welch, you are cordially invited to attend an afternoon tea in celebration of Mother's Day, Sunday the 12th of May at 2 o'clock. Ooh, this is wonderful. Well, I'll be going. I'll be coming. So is Mr. Welch invited too?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. That's my ride. Well, thank you, and I'll be there.
Okay, so it's been a little bit of a struggle this morning to do this Mother's Day tea party. I spent all last night like making a bunch of stuff, got up this morning, started making stuff, and then realized, oh my gosh, I forgot to get the crumpets at Trader Joe's and the cream stuff that I needed to make clotted cream. So I go over there, and every single time I go there, they always have crumpets. Always. Every single time. This one time, the one time I actually need it, they're out. And I looked at the guy like, what am I supposed to do? Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. And then I opened the raspberries out of the fridge and they're molded. And I'm like, I got these 2 days ago. What the hell? So now I have to go back to the store and do that. I mean, it's just a constant, everything else better work out. That's all I'm saying. I have one more thing to make and I have 30 minutes to finish getting ready and make that last thing. Hopefully I can do it before I gotta go grab Athena so we can head over to the park and set up. So stay tuned.
Oh my gosh, you guys, so I'm kind of stressed out because I only have this stuff ready so far, and literally Heather's here to pick me up and go to the park. So yeah, I have to rush a lot right now. Oh, super dirty. Gross.
Oh.
Alright, so we got everything packed up. I barely put my makeup on, like, ridiculous. Maybe put some lipstick on, minimum. I don't know. But look at this. That's all packed up.
Brighten yourself up.
Brighten yourself up. What the fuck? And we still got a little other things to pack, but that's it. Okay, so we packed up the car. We're almost done packing. We stopped at Safeway just now because Heather wants to run in there and grab a soup, I think. Oh, this 3-tier plate right here. What? Anyway, I'm really excited. I really hope our parents love this. Stay tuned. Okay, so we made it to our favorite park. It's Sanborn Park in Saratoga, near San Jose. Anyway, we have these little park benches and stuff like that, but it's basically completely surrounded by nature. So it feels really like Midsummer Night's Dream theme, which is what we're kind of going for. English tea in the forest, but like a little bit of Midsummer Night's Dream thrown in there. That's Heather. Can you see her over there? she's cooking. My job is to decorate. So stay tuned.
Later.
You're here, Mommy. What did you do with this hat? You made that today?
Yes,
Oh my gosh. And you have your what? Downton Abbey bag on?
exactly.
Wow. Yes.
It's a beautiful day out, and
You like the spread?
yeah.
Here are the menus. Do you see my white gloves?
We do notice
Please notice it.
Thank you.
As I remember. Oh, you have your tea, right?
Oh, Lady Athena. Okay. My tea's getting low.
Oh, your tea's getting low.
So I'd like to
okay, here you
have
go.
a spot of tea.
Oh, yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It's wonderful tea. Compliments to the pomegranate tea is very delicious. I love it. It's delicious. Everything's exquisite. Tea, salad, soup. Wonderful.
Oh, would you like some tea?
More tea.
Yes,
please.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Did you guys like the tea?
We loved it. Wonderful. It was wonderful. Everything was delicious.
What was your favorite part? What was your favorite dish?
Everything.
Everything?
I'm not hard to please.
You know what? I have to say everything was. Nothing was my favorite. Although those if you have any left.
But I love all the details on the preparation, and the chicken sandwich was the best.
And your hat?
I love it.
I want to compliment Lady Edna though on her outfit. She is on
Look at
point.
your outfit.
Thank you.
Everybody's dressed up
Thank you.
for high tea.
Thank you.
Or no,
And we had a
afternoon,
show
afternoon.
Afternoon tea. Okay, we
Afternoon
are
tea.
not peasants here.
And thank you for the chauffeur too for
Oh
providing.
yeah, the chauffeur in his outfit.
Yeah, look at that.
Showing appreciation to some of the people who have made such an impact on our lives by giving them the tea party of their dreams was a moment of complete joy for both of us that we will cherish forever. At the end of the day, we all get busy, and it's easy for us to think that our parents will always be there, that there is plenty of time. But time is constantly slipping away from us, and tomorrow is never promised. So we challenge not only ourselves, but all of you to take more time to spend with the people that matter most to us. Not just celebrating them or telling them that we love them on one day of the year, but finding little ways to show them appreciation all year round. Till next time, Turkey Crew, we out.